Make sure you eat lots of vegetables. I mean, your salad has broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, avocado, tomato, sprouts, right? You eat, and then eat the fish at the end, so that you're already full and you've already got the enzymes. So now that fish will easily be absorbed and digested, right? If you eat just the fish, you know, then your pancreas has to do all the work because the fish, if it's cooked, has no enzymes left. But if you've eaten a bunch of raw food and it's got the enzymes, and then you put the fish in there, it'll help with the digestion. So it's less of a burden on your pancreas, which is really important. Because with the pancreas, remember, the pancreas, if it doesn't have to work so hard, it will have extra enzymes left over for the rest of the body, systemic enzymes, which we are all lacking in, which is why we get inflammation and stuff. If you have, that's why people take enzymes, like Wobenzyme. They take these things on empty stomach, because what it'll do is they're anti-inflammatory. They'll eat up some of our aches and pains. So if you're eating a mostly raw cuisine, then your pancreas is going to be restored to having extra enzymes available. And enzymes really are the key to everything in life, you know, in terms of the mechanics of how biology happens. So fruits, nuts, seeds, stuff, things that have never been killed and they're alive. And then have a little bit of fish, a little bit of eggs, if you want, you know, and then learn here, while you're here, learn how to make the healthy fats, you know, the smoothies and the chia porridge and the chia, you know, learn how to make delicious fat, because you need those healthy fats. So if you're getting those healthy fats, you're getting all that vegetables, you're drinking the green juices, which is giving you all the phytonutrients and vitamins that you could possibly need, and also minerals in the green juice or different kinds of juices. If you're eating all that stuff, you'll be absolutely happy, and you have to enjoy it. So you need to go out and have some fish. You need to go out, or chicken if you're going to have chicken. You know, I mean, I wouldn't personally do this, but I mean, if that's something that you really, because I've been this way for many years, so for me it's no longer a big deal. But I remember when it was. I remember when I was 20, it was a big deal. You know, I was busy not eating fish, not eating meatball. What are you doing? I'm not eating a meatball. That one right there, I'm not eating it. Yes, that one. You know, so I understand. But for me, it's been so long. I'm glad I went through this a long time ago. But so don't deprive yourself.